নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল ডিম্পল পাটগিৰি এডুকেশ্যন ইউটিউব চেনেলটোলৈ আপোনালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি কেইটামান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন লৈ আহিছোঁ এইটো ভিডিঅ'ত, যিকেইটা কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামত আহি থকা দেখা যায় আৰু এইকেইটা কুৱেশ্যন আমি জানিবলগীয়া। গতিকে এইকেইটা কুৱেশ্যন আমি আলোচনা কৰিম আজি। তো আহক আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো আমি আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। আজিৰ প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো আছে ইন হুইচ ইয়াৰ আনোৱাৰা টাইমৰ বিকামছ এছাম ফাৰ্ষ্ট এণ্ড অনলি ফিমেল চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ। Correct answer is option B, 1980. Next question, who is known as the father of Assam prose literature? Correct answer option A, Bhattodev. Which day is observed as Rhino Day in Assam? Correct answer is option C, 22 September. In which district Sri Surya Pahar is located? Correct answer is option B, Goalpara. Next question, which one is the highest mountain range in Assam? Correct answer option C, Borail Range. Sati Sadini was a queen of which dynasty? Correct answer option C, Sutiya. Which state is not covered under the jurisdiction of Guwahati High Court? Correct answer option D, Tripura. The Assam Medical College was formerly known as, right answer option A, Berry Huis Medical School. Who is the first Assamese to climb Mount Everest? Correct answer option B, Tarun Soikia. Next question, by area wise Assam is the dash biggest state in India. Correct answer option D, 17th. Atmanusandhan is an autobiography written by, correct answer, Homen Bargahai. The coins used during Ahom reign was known as, correct answer option A, Takka. Next, who was the first to start the system of land surveying in Assam? Correct answer option A, Gadadhar Singh. Which district was previously known as Bangmara and Sangmai Pathar? Correct answer option C, Tinisukia. Who is appointed as first ever sports ambassador of Assam? Correct answer option A, Hima Das. Which Assamese writer is also known as Upanyas Samrat? Correct answer option C, Rajanikanta Bardoloi. What is the meaning of the word I in the festival name Ali Ai Ligang? Correct answer option B, fruit. The Boisagu festival is celebrated by which ethnic group of Assam? Correct answer option A, Bodo. Which of the following wildlife sanctuary is located in Udalguri district? Correct answer option D, Bornodi. Next question, the Rainforest Research Institute in Assam is located? Correct answer option B, Jorhat. বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত এইকেইটা কুৱেশ্যনে লৈ আহিছিলোঁ। যদি ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পাইছে লাইক কৰিব, কমেণ্ট কৰিব আৰু যিসকলে মোৰ এই চেনেলটোত নতুন সকলোৱে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব আৰু যদি ভিডিঅ'টো বহুত বেছি ভাল পাইছে এটা শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিব। তো আজিলৈ ইমানেই।